Okay, so let us take a look at this WASSCE section A question. So with this, it says that we should find the value of x from the diagram over here. So from this diagram, you have to find the value of x. Now, when you take a look at this diagram, you realize that if I draw just this line and this line alone, this angle over here is vertically opposite to this. Right. So therefore this angle is also supposed to be 80. So I can redraw everything and have it as 80 over here. So this angle is 80. So now that I have that angle to be 80, now I have a straight line. This is a straight line. And remember from the types of angles that angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. So in other words, when I sum up these angles over here, I'm supposed to get 180. So when I add these angles, that is angles on a straight line, I'm supposed to get 180. So therefore, x plus 80 plus 35 is equal to 180. Now I solve for this. I put these two together. I get 115. Then I take it to the other side. I subtract it from the 180. I get x is equal to 65 degrees. So therefore, x is 65 degrees.